Hey guys, welcome back to Home Tech Decisions. If you remember back, one of our very first videos we compared the Abode to the Simplisafe security system, and it's still one of our most popular videos. Well, since that time, we've been able to test out 3 new smart home security systems, including the Wyze, a very popular Ring, and a lesser known Kangaroo. In this video, we're going to compare all 5 and let you know what we think.
So right now we're going to talk about benefits of a DIY security system. Some of the best things are these are easy to install. Some of these, like the Kangaroo, just have tape on the back. So you stick them where you want them, bingo bango, you're done, you're good to go. Some of these do require a little bit more intricate things, like maybe drilling things into walls or things like that. But typically this can all be done in a matter of a couple of hours. A lot of these are much more affordable than professionally done ones, right? So you can go to a store, like you can get one of these at Home Depot or Target or Best Buy or things like that. You can pick it up and have it installed same day. The great thing about a lot of these is they don't require running low voltage wires all over your house, right? So a lot of them connect through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi or things like that. So you don't have to worry about creating a mess, and you can get them up and running as soon as you want them up and running. A lot of these also can integrate with other smart home tech devices that you can add on to your security systems as like additional packages. A lot of these also come with additional sensors or things like that you can buy as you want to expand, right? So these starter kits come with a minimum of certain things, and then when you're wanting to expand and you're liking them, you can just go on their websites and then you can purchase additional sensors and things like that.
These systems operate very similar to a professionally installed setup. So you're going to start with a hub, which would be the equivalent of the original panel. Except for this, now it's wireless, connects to your home network, and usually it's placed in a central location or sometimes by the door. All the other sensors are going to connect wirelessly to this device, so it's really important. The best ones are going to have cellular and battery backup, so if your power goes out or your internet goes down, the devices will still function. The remaining devices are all battery operated. Typically they have about a 10-year battery, so you won't really have to worry about replacing them. So we have the window and door sensors that go on each window and door, obviously to detect any break-ins that way. Some are going to have like glass break detectors, which listen for sound, or have like a vibration detection built in. Many of the systems rely on a keypad to arm and disarm them. They may include a fob, which you can actually touch to the keypad, which makes it go faster. Or in the case of Abode, they have what's called geofence, so you can use your phone as a presence detector. That will arm and disarm your system automatically. That way you don't have to worry about typing in the code, scrambling to do that, or trying to remember if you turned it on or off when you left the house. So beyond that, the devices can also connect to some doorbells in some cases, as well as cameras. And so you can integrate them right into your system. And that kind of creates your whole security package, along with motion detection, which can be used both indoors or in your garage, and different settings that way. So very similar to what you would expect with a panel, but all wireless and very easy to install yourself. So we highly recommend all 5 of these, and we're going to break down some of the differences for you.
Here we have the Abode Starter Kit, which retails for $385. There is a monthly cost, which is $6 a month for standard, $20 a month for professional monitoring. Extra features include cameras, automations, geofence, on-demand monitoring. Next up we have the Simplisafe, which retails for $391. The monthly cost is 50 cents a day for standard, $15 a month, or 83 cents a day, $24.90 a month for interactive. Extra features include camera and doorbell options. Here we have the Ring, which retails for $260. The monthly costs included $10 a month for the Plus plan, or $15 a month. Extra features include cameras, doorbells, and integrations with smart home devices through Works with the Ring program. Next up is the Wyze Starter Kit, which retails for $80. There's a $5 a month fee for monthly costs, and extra features include camera and doorbell options. And here we have the Kangaroo, which retails for $120. There is a $1.99 a month package, which includes theft protection, and an $8.25 a month plan for 24/7 monitoring. Extra features include a photo doorbell. So these security systems each function the same way, but ultimately the big difference is the way that they have upfront costs or ongoing costs or things like that with their monthly plans. Which platforms they integrate with, backup and cell battery, available sensors, cameras, and things like that. So what we want to do is make sure that what you're going to want to connect. So Wyze typically connects with Wyze products, right? So they have their system. Abode also has their own system, but then you can continue to add on different products and things like that. This is Z-Wave, is that correct?
That is
Z-Wave,
correct.
yes. Ring also has the Works with Ring program, and so if it's compatible with Ring, which is also a Z-Wave product, they will integrate with the Ring products. Simplisafe has its own doorbell, has its own camera, and it typically integrates with its own items. Same with the Kangaroo. Kangaroo makes its own products, and it integrates with Kangaroo. Those are the big differences between these two.
Yeah, so with the Abode, you can use the alarm system to trigger other automations in your house, control lights, locks. Ring, you're kind of stuck within the Works with Ring platform, but they do integrate with, obviously, their doorbells and cameras, a number of locks and switches, so a variety of options available there. With Wyze, you're looking at the Wyze app, so if you have a lot of Wyze products, that's a great option. It's obviously more affordable. And then Kangaroo is kind of on its island there. It only works with the other Kangaroo devices. Along with Simplisafe. Simplisafe does have a robust offering of products, but it only works with itself. It doesn't connect to anything outside of it. So we've been using Abode for about 2.5 years now, and it's still my go-to. I really like the geofence feature, integrations with other devices around our house. It's HomeKit compatible. We'll be testing one of their cameras as well here shortly, and so really a good system, very affordable. You can pay month to month, or you can do self-monitoring, which is something none of the other systems allow. And so I really recommend the Abode.
Yeah. One thing that we really like about the Simplisafe is it's turnkey, right? So you can just get the box and you can set it up all within about 2 hours, right? So everything is there. You can set everything up. It's very, very, very easy and simple to use.
And if you're already on board with the Ring and you have their doorbells and their cameras, well then their alarm system is a great option because you're already paying that subscription, you've already got the app, and you can control everything in one place. It's a solid offering. It has a very nice built panel. And they've got a variety of different sensors available, and they work with a lot of different products as well.
Yeah. So what we really like about the Wyze is the affordability, right? So if you're just on a tighter budget, if you're just getting started in the smart home tech game, Wyze is a phenomenal product, and they also make a line of affordable smart home products that we really highly recommend. So that is a good one if you're just starting out.
Yeah, and along the same lines, if you're looking at a budget option, Kangaroo is out there. I would really only look at this if you're looking for a temporary solution. Maybe you're a real estate agent and you want to monitor your listings and you want to be able to move those to the next place, or you're a renter, because with the peel and stick option, it's very easy to install and remove without leaving any damages. However, their doorbell is really just takes photos, and we didn't find that the camera was all that impressive. And so really with Kangaroo, I would just use that more as a temporary solution, whereas some of these others are a little bit more robust.
Well, we hope that has been beneficial for you. Stay tuned for future videos.
Yeah, and we're still looking for someone to help us connect the connected. So if you have an old security panel in your house that you're not using, perhaps for like ADT or something like that, with a wired sensors or windows, doors, motions detection, we can actually use this little chip and connect it to your smart home hub, and then you can use that for different automations. So we found people that have had these old alarm systems, but they didn't have the smart home hub, and then we found people that have a lot of smart home devices, but they don't have the old system. So if you're in Minnesota and you meet those criteria, let us know, because we really want to test this out, but we just haven't found a place to do it yet.